Now stack is nothing but a data structure. It's a way of organizing your data. Let us say you have some data 1, 5, 4, 9. Let us say you have 4 numbers. If you put all these numbers into an array, this is one of the way to organize your data. You are organizing your data based on the indexes, right? The indexes are going to be 0, then 1, then 2, then 3. You want to access a particular element, you are going to say, okay, what is that index number 2? It is 4. This is one of the way to organize your data. Tag is another way to organize your data. Here you organize your data one over the other. For example, if I want to put this 1 into my stack, so let me put this 1 into my stack. Now this will look something like this. We have inserted this 1 into the stack, right? Now if I want to insert this 5, which is the next data we have in our array, then we can say, okay, let me take this 5 and put it in the stack. When you are adding a particular element into your stack, you add the element at the top of another element. When the stack was empty and you wanted to insert this 1, you added it here, right? But now when stack has the element 1 and you wanted to add this 5, you added it over 1. Now when you want to add this 4, the next data, then you will add it over 5. So it will look something like this. So basically what's happening is, in a stack, you push your data or add your data at the top. Adding a particular data in a stack is called as a push. There are certain standard operations in a stack. Those are called push, pop and peek. These are the standard features in a stack. You inserted a 4. Now I want to insert a 9. I would add this 9 over this particular 4, which is the top element as of now. So this is the push operation where you push your data into the stack. What is the pop operation? There is another operation, pop. When you want to fetch any element from your stack, basically when you have an array and you have elements, you fetch the elements using the indexes, right? At index number 0 you have 1. When you want to fetch a particular element in stack, you have two different ways to do it, using pop and using peek. When you are doing pop, it means you want to remove the element which got last inserted in the stack, and that's the reason you might have heard that stack is called as LIFO, last in first out. The data which goes last, the data which is inserted last, is the data which goes first out, the data which is going to go out of the stack first. You cannot remove 4, cannot remove 5, cannot remove 1 until you remove 9 from your data. So basically when you say pop, the last inserted data in your stack goes out of the stack. So when you say pop, this 9 comes out. Now this is one way to access your data. But when you pop your data, you actually remove your data and then you access it. There is another way of accessing the data which is called peek. The meaning of peek is, I want to just peek, or I want to see what's the top data in my stack, what's the last inserted data in my stack. I cannot see 5, I cannot see 1. That's what stack is all about. You keep inserting your data one over each other, but when you want to fetch that particular data, you can start fetching the data from the top. You cannot even see this 5, cannot even see this 1 until you see 4 and you remove 4, then you will be able to see 5. So that's the peek operation. We saw pop operation which removed the 9. Now there is peek operation which is going to help us see what's at the top of the data or what is at the top of the stack. So these are the three standard features in the stack.